Charm Club, and I'm here to make a really exciting announcement. We are going to be doing another year in a box subscription kit. We did this back in 2020 and everyone loved it so much they begged us to do another one. We just had to wait for the right collection to come along, and it did. We are working with Photo Play's Totally Adorable Year with My Gnomies collection. This is going to be a quarterly kit into 4 bundles. You sign up and your bundle is automatically mailed to you. And for our first month, we are starting with January, February, March. What comes in this kit? Well, the first one is loaded because we're both building the box and we're making the first folio. So you're going to get this adorable Year with My Gnomies. You're going to get 2 each of the patterned papers that come for each month. So that's 4 sheets for each month, for a total of 12 sheets. Then you're going to get the sticker sheet for January through April. You're going to save the April stickers for the second quarter, but we're going to use the January, February, March. Then you're going to get a sheet of the solids plus teal, a sheet of the solids plus pink, and a sheet of the solids plus red. You're going to get an extra sheet of Sending Love and an extra sheet of Lucky Charm. And those are going to be the pages. Then to build our folio, you're going to get 2 sheets of 12 by 12 grocery bag cardstock, which is really heavy. And you're going to get 6 sheets of white 12 by 12 cardstock. You're going to get 8 hot pink flowers and 8 light pink flowers. You're going to get 2 yards of aqua baker's twine, 3 of these darling little flower-shaped buttons, which are perfect for this collection. And you're going to get 3 charms to decorate the spine of our folio. For the box, let me put this aside. For the box, you're going to get pre-cut heavy chipboard pieces. You're going to get these fantastic metal box feet so that this piece will be pretty enough to set out as part of your decor. And then to decorate up the box, you're going to get 2 sheets of the Sweet and as Honey Buzzing By. You're going to get 2 sheets of the Tweet Tweet. You're going to get 2 sheets of the sunflowers, and you're also going to get a sheet of the sticker element sheet. So that is a loaded kit, and we're going to have so much fun. This is going to be a really bright, cheerful year. We're going to make these fun little Gnome calendars, and it's just going to be a blast. All right, hold steady. I'll be back in a minute to show you what we're making. Okay, guys, here it is. Look how cute. This is our little storage box for our year in a box. And you're going to make this from scratch. It's really sturdy. It's got these great claw feet, and it's decorated on all 4 sides with the adorable Sweet as Honey collection from Photo Play. Fully lined interior, and then we're going to make a series of 4 folios that fit right inside the box. So they'll stand up for display. So cute, so cheerful, just perfect for 2022. We need a little extra sunshine, I think. It's been a tough couple of years. So here's the folio. It measures 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. We've got this adorable cover. The first quarter, of course, is January, February, March. So that's what's represented here. We've got a baker's twine closure. A really cute spine with a heart, a snowflake, and a shamrock charm button. This adorable gnome. Little string tie closure up here. And then this opens. Just a simple little string tie. And here we are on the inside. And guys, this is a really fun interactive trifold folio. So there are 4 sections actually, 1 for each month and 1 to store the calendars. And they all are loaded with all kinds of pockets and pullouts and flaps and cute gnomes everywhere you look. Lots of room for photos so you can easily document your entire year. There's January. Here's February. So cute. This one lifts up. Here's another little flap page. And then this one folds down. And another little flap page. And then this one has a flap and folds down. Here's a sweet little folio with a gnome, room inside. It says love, so cute. Flips out this way so you can put your photo. Another pocket here. So room here for quite a few photos, guys. This is a really neat look. Then it opens out like this with another flap page. You can put a small photo here, photo here, photo here, and photo here. How fun is that? All these different flips and flaps and such. Then it flips open like this, and this pocket holds our monthly calendars. These are just real simple, so you can fill in the dates. And then on the back, I've left it blank, so you can write down birthdays, anniversaries, special occasions, holidays, or you can just put a photo on the back. But aren't they cute? And these live in this little pocket right here. And then here's March. So a decorative cover for March opens out. Here's a photo page, a pocket page, and you can also tuck photos in the pocket. Then this flips up like this, and it pulls out of a hidden pocket in the back. And then it stores in this nifty hidden pocket back here. Then this lifts up, and here's another pocket here, all decorated up with March. And then look at this guy, so cute. And this lifts up, this flips down, this flips out, this flips out. So you've got room for photos there and on the back. And then you can also slip more photos into the pocket. So as you can see, this is a really playful, really cheerful, colorful folio. And we're going to have 4 of these all together. The design for each one will be a little bit different. So no 2 are exactly the same, so you don't get bored. But you can order your kit today. This is a subscription kit. So you will sign up for the entire year. You can find all the information at buttonfarmclub.com. I'll put the link in the description box below. The first kit is a little more expensive because it provides all the supplies for making the box. But then after that, the monthly fee goes down. That is it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. I hope you're as excited about this kit as I am. I just think it's going to be a honey of a year. All right, guys, thanks. I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.